cable connectivity. The first one is Welcome to Home Connect Bulletin. In this video, we will learn how to check Ethernet cable connectivity using a LAN cable tester. During RJ45 connectorization, it is essential to remember that an Ethernet cable consists of four pairs of wires and we must follow the correct sequence while crimping. The color sequence is as follows: orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, and brown. Now let's explore how to perform testing using the LAN cable tester. The tester has two important components: the master unit and the remote unit. Ensure that the remote unit is connected at the home gateway or RMDU end during testing. Let's understand the different testing scenario. Scenario 1, correct connectorization. In this scenario, all four pairs are crimped properly according to the color code sequence. The LED indicators will light up in sequence from 1 to 8 on both the master and remote units. Scenario 2, cross connectorization. Here, all four pairs are crimped correctly at one end, but the color codes are incorrect at the other end. In this case, the LEDs will light up from 1 to 8 in sequence on the master unit, but the remote unit will show an incorrect sequence. For example, you might see that LEDs 3, 4 and 5 do not illuminate in order. Scenario 3, connectorization with missing pairs. In this scenario, all four pairs are crimped correctly at one end, but fewer than 8 pairs are crimped at the other end. For example, the third pair is missing. There will be no LED indication for both the master and remote unit for the missing cables. Now let's recap what we have covered. In this video, you learned the color code sequence to be followed while crimping the Ethernet cable, and it is orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, brown. And to check Ethernet cable connectivity, we use a tool which is called as Ethernet cable tester. You also learned the three scenarios of Ethernet cable connectivity. The first one is about correct connectorization, where all four pairs are crimped with the correct color code sequence at both ends, and in such type of connectorization, the LED indication in master and remote both will be light up from 1 to 8. Second, cross connectorization, where all four pairs are crimped with the correct color code sequence at one end only. In such type of connectorization, at master all LEDs will light up from 1 to 8, but in remote LEDs light up in a incorrect sequence. Number 3, connectorization with missing pairs. Here all four pairs are crimped with the correct color code sequence at one end, but fewer than 8 wires are crimped at the other end. In such type of connectorization, no LED light up for the missing cable on both master and remote. Thank you.